You telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Hey y'all, hey, what's up? What to do? It's your girl KB and welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Click the subscribe button, y'all, down below, period. So y'all, in today's video, I will be doing, of course, a makeup look. Something simple, like a makeup, no makeup look kind of vibe, you know, something nude, all that stuff. But before I get into the look, y'all, I will be doing a unboxing of this Trap and Glow products that I ordered from Btw I. Y'all, these products are super bomb cute. The names of the products are really fun and trappy. Like, I love it. So what I ordered, y'all, let's look. Oh, of course, y'all already looked inside the box, already seen what's inside, everything. So what I ordered was this Trap butter. This is the whipped body butter. Y'all, it smells really good, fruity. Like, I love it already. Like, I tried a little sample of it earlier, and it's just popping. Like, it will have you shining, glistening, all of that, like, for real. So what else did I get? This lip scrub. It's called Wax. As y'all can see, it gives that little wax vibe, you know, if you dab, smoke, period, you already know what I'm talking about. And this is some lip scrub with turmeric and all that, and this also smells good. Like, I can't wait to use that. Y'all, this stuff got me over here shine. I also got some rose infused body oil. This is also for your face, facial serum. You can get it with like the rose petals inside of it too, but I got it without, and it has a little dropper, so it's easy application, period. And this also does smell good. I also got the Trap stick. It's smooth. I love it too. Like, period. Yeah, y'all, like, I love her products. Like, and also, let me show y'all. I ordered before some lip glosses from her. This is called Mary Jane, and this one is called LSD. This one has like little marijuana, little weed, little sparkles up in there. And y'all, this is actually my favorite lip gloss. I'm not gonna beat you. Like, it's smooth, it's like, it's lightweight. 'Cause you know some lip glosses, they all sticky and tacky, but I look like I'm glowing. Yeah. So and also inside has a little business card with all her information on it. You can find her at Trap and Glow on Instagram. And y'all, I love the box because it comes with these little pink and gold little frillies in them. So cute. So this is what all I ordered from her, and make sure y'all go check her out. Trap and Glow LLC on Instagram, y'all, period. Go check her out. Okay, y'all, so let's get right into this look. Okay, so of course I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So I'm just going to fill these in as usual. This is a NYX eye pencil in the shade Black Brown. And I'm just going to fill my brows in. I'm just going to mainly fill them in towards the ends and not like all up in there. Okay, y'all, so next I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fine, and I'm just cleaning up my brows with this. And I'm just going to start at the beginning of my brow and just like follow the shape of my brow. And I'm just going like really lightly when I am doing this. Okay, so next I'm going to take a little bit of this Milani concealer and just put that on the lid of my eye. And I'm just going to blend this out with this LA Girl concealer. Okay, so I'm going in with this Morphe palette. I'm using this shade right here. It's a really nude shade. And I'm just putting that all over to the lid of my eyes. I may just do this one shade. Okay, so that is all I'm going to do for the eyes, well, for the eyeshadow. I'm going to use these 3D Fox ink lashes. I got them at my hair store. And y'all, these lashes is 3D AF. Like, I didn't know they was going to be like that. So I'm going to pop these on real quick. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. And I'll be right back. Y'all don't even understand how long it took me to get this eyelash on. Like 3 times to get this thing on, but it's on. It's probably like smushed up. I don't give a damn, but it's on. So what I'm about to do is, y'all, I'm gonna go in with this Burt's Bees foundation, y'all. Yes, I'm trying foundations out. I'm picking them up in stores. Hell, where I see them at, I'm just gonna get them. So this is Burt's Bees foundation in the shade Cocoa. So I'm gonna put some of this on. I'm gonna apply some of this to the back of my wrist, 2 little pumps. But first, y'all, let me prime my face. Hold up, wait a minute, pause. I'm using this NYX Bear With Me primer, y'all. Let me hurry up before this stuff drip off. So I'm gonna put some of this primer on real quick. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend in this foundation, y'all. Let me tell you, this is blending really well. Oh yeah, and if y'all are wondering, I did get me a new background stand and a new backdrop. I got this all at Amazon. This was like altogether like $50-something, $54. I'll leave all the information down in the description bar for y'all as well. Yeah, I love this little backdrop, y'all. I didn't know what to get, so I got this, and it's cute. So, and this foundation, y'all, look at this. I didn't even blend it up here, y'all. Like, it's just up in there. Okay, y'all, so I got the foundation on and everything. So I'm gonna go in with this Milani concealer under the eye just a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna put a little on my nose. And that's it. And I'm just gonna let this sit for a little hot second, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with a beauty blender, and then yeah. So I'm gonna spray this beauty blender real quick with this NYX setting spray. Y'all, I love me some NYX products, y'all. It's my favorite little go-to. I love me some NYX products. So I'm setting the face with this NYX HD Studio Finish finishing powder. So, you know, next I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm gonna go ahead and dab into this brown over here, and I'm just gonna, you know, shape out and contour up my face with this. And, you know, Just give me a little razzle dazzle. So I'm going to go with that same palette, y'all. I'm going to take this orange and I'm just going to lightly tap that into the cheek. Y'all would not believe what I just did. I set my freaking face with this perfume. I meant to grab this, y'all. So damn. Dang. Yes, I literally sprayed my face with the damn perfume. Alright, y'all, because let me go ahead and finish up this look because I'm clearly not for it because I'm spraying face with perfume. So I'm just gonna take this brown lip line, y'all. You already know what's going on. This brown lip line. It's a go every time. I'm not gonna use this lip because I'm not liking that. Okay, so I'm taking this Wet n Wild matte Bear It All lipstick. This is what it's looking like right now. I don't know, what y'all think? Yeah, no, I don't know. Let me know, y'all. Give me a comment. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what's going on. Okay? So, let me fix up my weave, y'all, and I'll be right back. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Okay? Okay, y'all, so this is the final look or whatever. You already know the vibe. It's giving me very much jungle fever. Like, yeah, I love this. I'm just doing some wand curls in this hair. Some little thick ass gold hoop earrings. And this little boss thing, yeah, it's silver, but you know, y'all know what I'm doing. And this little leopard cheetah, I don't know, one of them animals. I don't know, kind of shirt. I don't know. So yeah, so if you like this look, you already know what to do. Click that like button, that thumbs up, leave a comment for your girl.